Friends, in today's video, I am going to share information about WES. What is WES? If you are planning to move Canada for employment or education, WES is for you. In this video, I am going to share you all important points about it. What is WES? Why is it important for you? How can you certify your college degree with help of WES? When should you get your WES ready? By subscribing this channel, you will get daily such important and useful information that will help you achieve your dream Canada. Interesting? Subscribe now. You will get daily new videos with information to make it super easy to achieve your dream job in Canada. I am waiting. Go and subscribe. What is WES? WES stands for World Education Services. It is a non-profit organization that provides credential evaluation services to individuals who have completed their education outside of Canada or the United States and wish to pursue further education, employment, or professional licensing in Canada or the United States. I am from India. How should I get my WES done? If you are from India and need to get your educational credentials evaluated by WES, you will need to follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the WES website and create an account. Step 2. Select the India option from the drop-down menu and choose the type of evaluation you require. Step 3. Follow the instructions to provide information about your educational credentials, such as your degrees, transcripts, and diplomas. Step 4. Submit your application and pay the required fees. Step 5. Arrange for your educational institution to send official transcripts and other required documents to WES. Step 6. Once WES receives all required documents and payment, they will begin the evaluation process. This process typically takes several weeks, depending on the type of evaluation you have requested and the volume of applications WES is processing at the time. Step 7. After the evaluation is complete, WES will provide you with a report that outlines how your educational credentials compare to those of Canada or the United States. This report can be used to support your application for further education, employment, or professional licensing in Canada or the United States. Is there any company which can help me in getting my WES done? Alpha Consultancy is a trusted agency in India that offers comprehensive services to assist individuals with obtaining their WES certification. They understand that the process can be time-consuming and overwhelming, especially for those who are not familiar with the requirements. Therefore, they offer end-to-end services to take care of all the formalities on behalf of their clients. They can visit your college or university to collect your documents, verify them, and submit your application to WES. They also provide follow-up services to ensure that the application is processed efficiently and that you receive your certification in a timely manner. By working with them, you can save time and avoid any unnecessary stress associated with the WES certification process. Their team of experts will ensure that everything is taken care of, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your education or career. Their service fee is $250. If you are a subscriber of this YouTube channel, you will get a discount of $50. For only $200, your WES work at college will be done for you. First step: complete your WES account. Pay their fee. You will get your individual code. Second step: hire Alpha Consultancy. Get $50 discount. Pay them $200. Share your WES code and other details. They will send you some forms. Fill those forms, sign them and send back to Alpha Consultancy. After that, whatever work is there at your college or university, they will process it on your behalf. Interested? We have shared a link. Use that link to submit your details to Alpha Consultancy. Hope this video will help you in your dream Canada. By subscribing this channel, you will get daily such videos. So, go ahead and subscribe it now. Here is bonus links. Do you need LMIA job details, with visa sponsorship by company, with direct contact information of the company? Would you like to apply for such jobs? If yes, go to description. I have shared video links of several videos. In each video, you will get one job information. Keep watching. Watch one video, apply that job. After that, watch next video, and apply for next job. More jobs you apply, better for you. Best of luck. Do not delay. Subscribe this channel. Watch each video. Apply every job. Also, share these videos at your social pages, your Facebook, your WhatsApp group, and with your friends. They will say thanks to you for you are trying to help them. Enjoy.